How to log in to chase.com. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Chase bank account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your web browser. After you open up your web browser, simply search for chase.com. Then hit enter, and after you hit enter, it will take you to Chase official website. And after you're there, here you will see a welcome section where you can just type in your username and then your password. So to log in, all you have to do is type your username here and then your password here. Then tap on the sign in button to sign in. You can also check this remember me button on to make your login process easier for future. Other than that, there is also a feature to recover your username or password if you have forgotten it. All you have to do after typing your username and password is tap on the sign in button to log in into your Chase Bank. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.